Student, today we will discuss the topic classification of accounts. First, personal account and second is the impersonal account. Personal account means the account which is related with the name of individual, firms, company or institutions. For example, Mohan's account, rent account, bank account, capital account and BCM limited account, Banaras Hindu University. So these are the name of the personal account. The personal account means the account which is related with the name of individuals or firms or any company or any institutions. For example, Mohan's account, rent account, bank account, capital account, BCM limited account or Banaras Hindu University or Delhi University. Second is impersonal account. So there are two types of impersonal account. First is real account and second is nominal account. Impersonal account means this is not related to the name of any persons or firms or any company. So there are two types of impersonal account. First real account, second is nominal account. Real account, it is related to the assets like tangible and intangible assets. For example, furniture, building, plant, machinery, goodwill, patent, trademark. These are the assets and these are related to the real account. Third, nominal account. It is related with the name of income and expenditure. For example, commission received, this is the income. Rent paid, salary paid or any other expenses. So all the income and expenses are related to the nominal account. Now see the rules for recording of transactions. First, personal account. And what rules are given in personal account? As per personal account, the receivers are debit and givers are credit. It means any person who receives something, his account will be debit. And the person who gives something, his account will be credited. Means receivers are debit and givers are credit as per which account? Personal account. This is the rules for debit and credit. Second is nominal account. As per nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debit and all the incomes and gain are credit. Third, real account. Real account means it is related with the name or any property. So what rules is given for the debit and credit in real account? So as per real account, first what's come in business enterprises will debit. यानी बिजनेस इंटरप्राइजेस में कुछ भी अगर आ रहा हो तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं? डेबिट करते हैं. सेकेंड, व्हाट्स गोज आउट फ्रॉम द बिजनेस. बिजनेस से कुछ भी अगर जा रहा है तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं? क्रेडिट करते हैं. तो रियल अकाउंट का रूल्स क्या है? व्हाट्स कम इन बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेस विल डेबिट and what goes out from the business will credit. So this is the rules for debit and credit. On the basis of these rules, we will pass the journal entry. See the example. Suppose purchase furniture of rupees 5,000. This is the transactions. To purchase furniture of rupees 5,000. This is the transactions. Now we have to pass the journal entry on the basis of these rules: personal, nominal, and real account. Purchase furniture for rupees 5,000. When we will purchase the furniture, what will come? Furniture will come and cash will goes out. Furniture will come. Furniture will come and second, cash will goes out. You know, in the double entry system, every transaction affect at least two accounts. If one account is debit, then another must will be credited. So there is two accounts. First is furniture, second is cash. Means if we purchase the furniture for rupees 5,000, then in this case the furniture will come and cash will goes out, and both the accounts are related to the real account, because furniture is also assets and cash is also assets, यानी कैश भी एसेट्स है, फर्नीचर भी एसेट्स है. इसमें किस अकाउंट का रूल्स लगेगा? रियल अकाउंट्स का. अब रियल अकाउंट्स क्या कह रहा है? व्हाट्स कम इन डेबिट, यानी जो आ रहा है उसको हम क्या करेंगे? डेबिट. यानी फर्नीचर अकाउंट को क्या करेंगे? डेबिट. और कैश क्या हो रहा है? जा रहा है, तो कैश अकाउंट क्या होगा? क्रेडिट होगा. तो एंट्री कैसे पास होगी? जर्नल एंट्री पास करने के लिए जर्नल का फॉर्मेट है, दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल एंट्री. डेट, पर्टिकुलर्स, LF, अमाउंट डेबिट एंड अमाउंट क्रेडिट. LF, पर्टिकुलर एंड डेट. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल एंट्री, जिसमें कि हम एंट्री पास करेंगे, यानी जर्नल एंट्री ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. तो ट्रांजेक्शन क्या होगा? फर्नीचर आ रहा है, डेबिट होगा, यानी इसको किस फॉर्म में यहाँ रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू व्हाट्स गोज आउट? कैश, टू कैश अकाउंट. So this is the entry. Amount 5,000 in debit column and 5,000 in credit column. तो डेबिट के कॉलम में 5,000 लिखेंगे और 5,000 कैश के सामने क्रेडिट के कॉलम लिखेंगे. टू मीन्स क्या हो गया? क्रेडिट. और डेबिट के लिए हम DR वर्ड यूज करते हैं. तो डेबिट के सामने 5,000 डेबिट वाले कॉलम में, और क्रेडिट कैश है, यहाँ के 2 लिखा हमने, तो क्रेडिट कॉलम में क्या लिखेंगे? 5,000. तो देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस रूल्स we will pass the journal entry. Journal entry पास करने के लिए हम लोग इस रूल्स को अप्लाई करेंगे. So you have to learn these rules for the debit and credit before the passing the journal entries.